Hi, today I'll be cooking yam and pepper soup.
Got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again.
So now I'm adding the green onions and I'm just going to blend all this together by adding a little water. So this is the much water that I added. Cover it and blend. This is what we have. So I'm going to pour it in the chicken. No, ever. I'm going to add some more water as well. I'm adding more water. So this is what we have. I'm going to add seasoning cubes, then add some other ingredients that I want to add. All right, guys, I'm going to go put this on fire. You guys should come along. This is what we have, guys. Now I'm going to season. I'm going to turn on the heat. I'm going to be adding some seasoning cubes. I'll add black pepper. I'll be adding some salt. This might not be enough, but let's put this for now. So we're going to cover this and let it start cooking. Got some yams. I have this one that we've already taken from, and then I also have a full one. So, ew. I think sand just entered my eyes. All right, guys, let's do this. No, go back. The way I'm enjoying all these yams this period there, because yam in obodo oyibo is a big deal. Oh, can use the money for yam to buy better land. So this is how I'm cutting it, and I'm putting them in a bowl of water. So that it doesn't change color. To say person no sabi cook sef, how for do am with the children in obodo oyibo? Go red though. No half and well though. Don't want it to be too big. Want it to be a bite size. All right, so I'm gonna continue with this until I'm done. See you guys later in a jiffy. All right, guys, so let's see what's cooking. It has been cooking for quite a while now, and this is what we have. I literally forgot to cut these ones into two. It's okay, I guess. I'm going to be adding the pepper soup spice right now. It needs more salt, and I'll be adding some olive oil. Now I'll add some more salt. I'll still be adding some more pepper. I'll be adding the pepper soup spice. I have my pepper soup spice here, and I'll just add a tablespoon and half. And I'll give it a nice I'm going to leave it to cook for a bit more before I add the yams. Now I'm going to be adding some pepper. I've added pepper before, but that one is not enough. So I'm adding a little bit more because I want this to be I want the pepper to catch it, you know. So this has been cooking for a while, and I've just cut up my yams. So I'll be adding yams very soon. So I'll be adding some more water to this because, of course, when I add yam, it's gonna help thicken it. So you need to add a little bit more water so it won't be too thick. So we still have some pepper soup when we add yam. I'll add one more seasoning cube so that we won't lose the taste. This yam is just itching my hands. I'm feeling itchy. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook a bit more before I add yams. I have my dried uziza leaves here, so I'm just going to soak it in hot water. I also have scent leaf. It's not that fresh from the freezer, so I'm going to join the two. And I'm going to be using it for the pepper soup. So for this one, I'm just going to put some hot water over it and let it soak for a bit. Then I'll wash it off. This has been cooking for a while, so now I'm going to be adding the yams to it. So this is what we have so far. This is what we have. Let me test. Yum. Yummy, yummy. So I have my yams here. I'm going to be adding them to the pepper soup. Now let's see. I might not add all. Let's stir. I think this is enough. Obviously, I'm going to be adding a little more water to this. Adding a little bit of water, just so we'll have some more pepper soup remaining. So I'm going to season this a little bit more, adding salt. And I'll still add a little more pepper because the pepper no catch am all. Just a little more pepper. Here I have my otazi, no, not otazi, uziza leaves and scent leaves. So I'm going to be adding that so that they will start cooking and bring out their scent. Because we need all the scent we can get from the leaves. Even though they are dried, but yeah, let the aroma start coming out already. I'm going to cover this and let it keep cooking until the yam is done. I think our food is ready or almost ready. I'm going to check on the yams to see if they are ready. I think the yam is ready. Yeah, the yam is ready. Definitely. So this is what our soup is looking like. Person wey cook go test the food now, right? Let me test it and see if it needs some more water or whatever. But look at the consistency. I think it's okay. And I'm going to turn off the heat now because I don't want it to be too thick, whereby I will no longer have soup for the yams. This is ready. I'm done cooking, but I want to test what I cook because when you're sitting and get testing, you not happy. Let me know if it's okay. This is very refreshing. Yummy. This is yummy. Food is ready. It's time to serve. Like there's nothing you wanna say. The restaurant owners, they know people rich like this. You know they're all not rich. This is it. This is finished work. Food is ready, and now I'm about to dish out. Let's put for oga bata bata of the whole world. Uncle Majo Yebule from waiting since morning. So yeah, this is what our food is looking like. Whew. Light. All right.